Welcome to my kitchen again. This is Ada's Delicacy. Today we'll be making fish pepper soup today. So I'll be showing you the ingredients in using to make this fish pepper soup. So first and foremost, we start with the grounded pepper. We also have the fish, which is the major ingredient. So today I'm using a tilapia fish. That's the fish there. So I'll be using tilapia fish. I've got some habanero pepper and then onions, chopped onions. I've got scent leaf. This is called scent leaf in Nigerian language. It's called scent leaf. It's been dried. And we also have some seasonings. I'm going to be using Maggi, crayfish, and a bit of a more seasoning as well. So we have crayfish. That's the crayfish blended. And then also the main ingredient, the pepper soup ingredient. That's it over there. So let's start cooking. All right, the first thing we're going to do is to blend the pepper and the onion mix together. So I'll be blending it now. Bear with. So I'm not blending it smoothly, I'm blending it sparsely so it still has a seed in it. That's the way I want it. So what we do now is we put our pot on the fire and then we'll add some water into the pot because we want to start making the pepper soup now. So we add water into the pot. It depends on the kind of, with the pepper soup, it depends on the water you need. But with mine, I need a bit of medium water. I wouldn't want it to be too filled to the pot. So I add that. And then I put the blended mixture in it. So I've already blended the habanero pepper and onions. That's it there. So it goes into the pot, and then what I do is I add my seasoning. Add my seasoning, which is a Maggi crayfish. That's a Maggi crayfish over there going into the pot. I add my salt. That's the salt going into the pot, just a little salt. Then I add my crayfish. I'll just put a little crayfish into it, not too much. I put a little crayfish. That's the crayfish going in. I'm not adding so much to it. And then I cover it up to boil. So viewers, what we're gonna do now, we check the pot. This is after 10 minutes and we can see it boiling. So while that is boiling, what we'll do is then to add our already washed tilapia fish. That's the tilapia fish. We wash it and we add it in. That's it going into the pot. So that's it there going in. Yeah. So yeah. And then we add our, let's see. I've never tried this one with this.
No, you shoot for your video. Here, talk.
So viewers, what we're gonna do is we've added our fish into the pot. This is after 10 minutes while the water was boiling. So we've added the fish into the pot, and the next stage what we're gonna do is to add our pepper soup spice. So this is the pepper soup spice. It's been grounded and blended. This is from Nigeria, or you can get it from the local African shops. So I'll just put like 2 spoons. I don't know the consistency, but I'll keep trying to check the consistency. So that's the pepper soup spice going in. I'll put 1 more spoon. Yeah. And then while I do it, I stir it. So you should be mindful when you're stirring this so that the fish would not disengage and form pieces. So I like the fish always the way it is, the way I put it inside the pot. So I'll have a taste of it. Yummy. So once the fish is gone in, it's been covered, we'll allow it to boil for about 10-15 minutes. So that's it. So you let it boil, and when it boils, you check for salt, check for pepper as well, and you let it boil before we add the final ingredients. So guys, let's have a look at our pepper soup. Woo! It's coming out well. It's boiling. So the final thing we're gonna do is to add our, this is scent leaf, is the dried scent leaf. So I'll be adding it in. Yeah, so that gives it like a local, traditional, authentic taste. So I'll be adding it there, and then I stir it. Wow, looking nice. Let's see. So once you add it, you just leave it maybe 5 more minutes or 3 more minutes, and then you just get it done, and then you serve it. So let's test for pepper. We'll test for salt as well. Let me see. So yummy, yummy, yummy. I love it. This is yummy. All right, so we'll keep it and we'll let it boil for about 3 minutes, and your nice tilapia fish pepper soup will be ready. Thank you. My lovely looking yummy tilapia pepper soup. You can have this with rice. You can have it with you can eat it alone just like this. You can also wash it down with a bottle of malt as well. Looks really nice and yummy, isn't it? So if you like this video, please share with your friends and family. Subscribe as well. It's called Ada's Delicacies. Have a blessed day. Bye. So I've got this beautiful lady here trying to taste this yummy pepper soup. So let's have a go and see how the pepper soup tastes. How does it taste? Okay, let's see here. Okay. Wow.
So nice.
So nice, yeah? Can you rate me out of 1 over 10?
10 over 10.
Wow, thank you.
Nice.
So thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice, lovely day.